So guys, in this video I'm gonna share you how you can earn daily minimum earning from free traffic site. And this website is very completely free, and every click, every impression going from this site is genuine, not a fake. I hope you got my point. It's completely free, it's not a fake. And this site, if I click on a link, then I got traffic in my site. It's not a bot like you just uh, click and get result. No, when you click or when you do someone's view work or like work, then you get return traffic. That means someone is working behind from for this, like you, like me. So for getting traffic from this type of site, you must use $10 script in your post. Otherwise you only get impression, not click. So you must include $10 script in your blog post. And always when you use $10 script, change the direct link with your Adsterra direct link. Okay, this is my direct link, but you have to change this with your direct link. If you change is only for one time, like full five link you change to just one time, you can use repeatedly in any blog post you have. I hope you got my point. Now you can use this also in your main theme, but it will irritate your viewer, so don't need, just use this in the blog post. I hope you got my point. Okay, now copy link from banner also and paste in the post. So we will ensure banner view and $10 script direct link view. That's it. Now what it actually is, I did here, I just used a $10 script and I used banner, and also I used another banner and copy paste it repeated time. That's it. Now give it a title, like you have to write a good title and good content with ChatGPT, otherwise it will not work. I mean, see, in Traffic Exchange website, so many thousand people are working there. Okay, if one person just click on your site, okay, if just only one person click on your site, this click is a genuine click. But in traffic website, no one click on website, so you don't have to worry about your content. Just use a minimum good quality content and paste it. Everyone know in Traffic Exchange they are just exchanging view, don't exchanging actually the content. So for view, use a minimum post with ChatGPT and paste it in your blog, and just paste the link in the Traffic Exchange site. That's it. You have to do only that's work. So I just paste it here from ChatGPT. After that, publish it. Okay, then I need to review it is working or not. Click on preview and see, this site is perfectly workable now. Like impression and click also will work. See, automatic click is coming. Now what I'm going to do, copy the link from here and click on add site. Okay, and see, there is already mentioned blog. See, blog visit already mentioned. Paste your link in here, just change the CPC. CPC means click per cost. So change the click per cost, and that's it. You don't need to change anything. Save it. Okay, now your everything is okay. You only just earn coins and automatically you will get traffic. That's the actually simple matter. So how it works, you just earn coins from there, like Facebook video, like YouTube video, Even see in the earning section, auto serve also have there. You can do this manually, or you can do this with one time click. Like when you click on auto serve, it will give you coins unlimited, and you will get traffic unlimited, and it's legit. You don't have to worry about your ban your account. You know it's genuine. Every link, every click will come from another PC, another browser, real browser, not a bot browser. I hope you got it. So guys, work on this. Use at least, or do at least 1 hour work. I hope you got my point. Do at least 1 hour work on this site. Get traffic, get impression. You can easily earn from this site. So see, auto working is automatically working. That's it guys. So see, if you get depressed only 1 minute, and why not video it's coming, it's not working. You have to work at least 1 hour, 2 hours every day. Okay, so that's how you can earn money from Adsterra. Thank you guys, and you can see this video until it's closed. So bye.